Joel White.
Woo!
That was the beef vegetable soup. Third place. Kay Strickland.
Woo! Chicken cacciatore. Yes. Woo!
In second place is Arpita Weiss.
Oh, Arpita.
With her butter chicken. With her super soup.
Super duper Italian. Okay, Jackie, you get first choice of whatever you want. She already has probably everything.
Jackie, you can give us your prizes for free.
So you got this or this or anything else you want.
I did just get these, but this is like $959. So, I'm taking that.
All right.
I can always gift it to somebody, right?
Oh, very nice. What are you going to choose? Ah, very nice. Yes. The small one will be very nice for you. Yeah, those are beautiful.
Which one of those two? I'll show you what that looks like.
Oh, that's the ladle. Oh, that's so perfect
This is what the
for.
ladle looks like.
It has a slot for straining on part, which is
And it
really
has an
cool.
oven mitt, too.
And those are food storage, food safe, food grade storage bags for leftovers that you can label. And it